So today we're going to replace a brake caliper on a 1990 Mazda MX-5. We're going to show you the correct way and things that you're supposed to look out for while doing this. Today our customer complaint was a leaking brake caliper boot. Okay?
Yeah.
We inspected it. We found that our seal is bad and it's leaking from the piston. So we're going to show you how to remove the line, how to remove the caliper,
but it's stuck.
and how to bleed the brakes.
Yeah, master.
And so first thing we do, so we don't have to hang our caliper, is remove the brake line. Remember, have to have some paper with you so you can shove it in the brake line. That's gonna happen right there. It's gonna leak. So I want a little piece of paper.
Yeah.
To put it in.
Master technician over here.
Shut the up.
Dropping all the fluid on the floor.
Shut it. Oh.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's going crazy. It's going crazy. Oh my God! You're gonna run out of brake fluid. So this is not master technician work out here.
We're wasting all our fluid basically.
Okay, well run. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. Put this back. In. You're not, so that's weird. I've done this before, and I was able to shove a piece of paper. Oh my.
You've never done this before.
I've done this before at my automotive school, and it did not go out like this.
Okay, buddy. Okay, so basically, I had to, use my brain for this one.
Shut up.
So I'm the one that's actually doing all the thinking. But basically, we're just gonna. So first step is we're gonna undo the calipers, and then we're just gonna zip tie it here. So once we have the new ones, the new one right over there, we're gonna put that one on right there. And all we do is just transfer the line when we're finished. And then there you go, it should be smooth sailing.
We'll have to bring out the torch first, though.
Okay, so after you heat it up, it should come out nice and smoothly now.
Okay, now we're taking it out the bottom caliper bolt. Don't touch the bolt, of course. You want some type of common sense. That's one down. Once this bolt is fully out, we're gonna hang it. So you can either go to AutoZone on Amazon. You can buy brake caliper hangers. They're little pieces of metal. You can hang them on the coilovers, or struts, or suspension, whatever your way your system is. We don't have them, so we're gonna go and use the Ghetto Special, and we're gonna use a zip tie. Because my dumbass forgot to bring my brake caliper hangers. Why? Because I'm kind of dumb. So they should slide out just like this. Ta-da! So we just like that.
Yeah.
And we don't need to push back the brake caliper because we're running new ones. So this is our new brake caliper assembly. This is where our bleeder goes, right here. If you have your old bleeder dust cap, please keep it and transfer it to the new one. This one comes with a new brake bleeder duster cap, so we don't need it. But if yours has the old one, please keep it.
We heard you the first time, Buster.
Shut the up, Gabriel. So, always when changing either caliper or brake line, you always use a new banjo bolt washer. It's a little copper washer. Run. Oh my God. Bro, some bad things are happening right now. Ow! My eyes are burning!
Don't we need the other one?
Yes, you do need the other one.
I gave it to you.
So then you put it hand tight like this. Then we're gonna have to torque it after.
There you go.
So now we're taking out the slide pin bolts, which there's one back here and one top here. These are separate from the hub bolts. I'm having this just slightly loosely bolted in so I can remove them. The reason we want these removed because we wanna access this part to put the actual pads in. We've removed our piston assembly, our fluid caliper assembly from the brackets. These came with new slide pins, but as you can see, they're dry as holy heck. Why? Because AutoZone is probably very cheap in how they do it. I'm gonna put some nice, pretty new brake silicone fluid. Do not put lube on the threads. I repeat, do not put lube on the threads.
Yeah, make sure you don't get it on the threads like this guy did.
Shut up.
Now we have to take it off and clean it.
Shut up.
And you don't need to put that much. He's just like likes to waste it. So.
Yeah, exactly. I have a lot of money. You know, I'm rich. I have a Ferrari in my back there.
Yeah.
That doesn't run. It doesn't have Ferrari. It has an H logo on it. But not the cool H, not the straight H. The not cool.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm actually ASC brake certified. If you didn't notice already, because I'm so aura. So then you first put the first layer of this. Then on your pads, you're gonna first you're gonna put these on. But you know, if you're a dumb motherfucker like me,
you put it in backwards.
Exactly.
Put it on the inside.
There we go, like that. By the way, guys, this is supposed to be 30-minute job. 30-minute job. 30-minute job. This was supposed to be. It became a 2-hour job because I'm inexperienced. Doesn't matter. The kids in my school are not any better than me. Slide them in. This part, yes, this part's gonna be very frustrating. Why? Because that's just the life as a technician. It's gonna be very frustrating, this part. As you force him in. Oh, or not, because I'm him. I'm Himothy. Oh yeah, baby.
No, you're not. Just put this bad boy on there.
Yeah, baby.
Make sure you remember which are the different sizes.
Yeah.
The smaller one is on the bottom, right?
Yes. Oh yeah, let it slide in. Sorry, I didn't say that, y'all. Y'all, I didn't say that. It's not aligned, you said? There's not aligned.
Yeah.
I mean, what other way would they go?
Yeah, put the other one.
That's how they go, right?
Yeah. So don't forget to put your little spacers.
These just to make it so they don't rub against the rotor as the car runs, so it improves brake life.
So we're torquing these down to 20 foot-pounds.
But the torque spec is 23. 16 to what?
23.
Those are tight too. So the way I kind of did over tighten them.
That's fine.
We go slowly, y'all.
Tighten it up.
Goofy, I'm scared. I'm so scared.
You didn't put it that tight.
Hoochie mama, hi! It's scary, bro. Okay, guys, so now we've done everything. We've cleaned up our brake rotor. And I'm gonna check the brake master cylinder as Gabriel pumps the brakes so we can get the pads at the right place. Pump it halfway and just do it continuously. Let's check for leaks now. Any leaks? No leaks, baby, because I'm the master technician.
Alright, when you're bleeding the brakes, you always want to make sure for the Mazda Miata, it was the rear left, then the rear right, then the front right, and then the front left.
But on most cars, if you don't know what you're doing, you do farther
Just
to the
look it
master
up.
cylinder.
Just look it up.
That's a bunch of bums.
Oh, okay, buddy.
They're not real techs like me.
Uh-huh.
All this tech knowledge right here. Never torque your wheels. Life advice. This tubing is a tad bit big, but it's fine.
It's not gonna work.
It'll work. Trust. Actually, it will work. I just have to keep it flat like this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bleeding process. On the Miata, we first do the driver right versus passenger right. I'm putting some PB. Yeah, left to rear. I put some PB Buster on the bleeder. Preferably use thinner tubing than what I'm using here, but I don't really have many other options. you're gonna, so this is a one-man job, so excuse me for my poor performance. But generally you want a bottle where your brake fluid is gonna go. Okay, did you put it to the floor, Rick Gabriel? No. Put it to the floor? Are you doing it? You loosen? Oh my God. Keep it like that, keep it like that, keep it like that, keep it like that. I didn't cook, Gabriel, I didn't cook. Okay, release. I didn't cook, Gabriel, this line is too fat. Holy smokes. Okay, it's not ghetto, it's proper.
Just get the. Oh my God.
So now we're on the other bleeder nipple. You take off the cap, the little dust cap that's here. Okay. Gabriel's gonna go in the car. This is the two-man brake bleed procedure. You ready? Yeah, I think you should be fine. Let me close it up. Okay. Release. There. Yeah, this one just I don't know, but there was no bubbles. But it came out the threads of the bleeder nipple instead of the actual thing. It's probably because it's rusted to all heck. Cause one of the goobers forgot the cap on this one. But you guys saw I recorded it pretty poorly, but as you guys saw, also I got another cap from the new caliper. From the old one to put here. But as you guys saw, it came out of the threads instead. If you're doing that, if it's like that, I mean, you're gonna see the bubbles around the threads. But otherwise, it shouldn't do that. It should come out the nipple, and it should come out here. If you see bubbles, you continue to do it until you can't see bubbles, or you see almost none. That's it. Okay, guys, we're doing the last one now. No, second to last. I'm gonna show you this one, how it is. I'm gonna tell Gabriel to floor it. Okay, oh, this one has bubbles, baby. This one has bubbles, keep it pressed. Okay, release. Okay, now, one more time, hold. Oh yeah, it's a lot of bubbles. Okay, one more time, release. Hold. Oh, this is why, guys, you buy the right brake tube diameter, so it'll spill everywhere. Okay. Okay, one more time. Release. Hold. Awesome. No more bubbles. Bubbles are no more. No more bubbles.
Alright, so once you're finished with everything, you just lower the ground and you just torque the wheels to finish them off.
We're putting 90 foot-pounds.
Yeah.
These are NB wheels.
Just research what wheels you have and make sure it's the correct torque spec.
Yep.
Okay, so that's basically how you change your calipers.
I'm betting you guys are not gonna do much better than me. The only advice I'm gonna say is measure your brake caliper brackets. Our bracket did not come as the same as the OEM bracket. Just check your pieces all the time, and if it's gonna fit your car, because it didn't fit ours, we had to use our old bracket.
Yeah, we ended up using the old one.
But new caliper.
Yeah.
There's no tomorrow, so.
But yeah, as you can tell, it's been a long day.
Yeah, we didn't have fun. A lot of our parts didn't match up. We were struggling with the amount of grease, and in the bleeding process, one of our bleeder nipples were malfunctioning. This took us 5 hours today. So
yeah, that's basically it.
Besides that, I mean, the car, we're gonna test drive it now.
Yeah, so hopefully we didn't destroy it.
And we'll tell you in the description how it goes.
Yeah, if we make it out alive.
If we don't, this video's probably not gonna get posted.
Yeah.
So let's hope we make it out alive, right? He's a good driver. I'll be fine.